This one now, what I want to talk today, concerning some men where they always beat their wife. In short, their wife is now their unchained back. They beat that woman as if say no be human being born am, or as if say they no go pay that person bride price. You know, say the ones where they beat like that, you understand, now the ones where they no pay bride price, like a woman wey go stay with man. Now they beat anyhow because their people never catch you. Their people never catch you. There is something I want to tell you, very important. If you like, take it. If you like, don't take it. But the good thing wey dey there be say, joy don't talk am out. But I want you to take it. If you chase your woman out, no doubt me, another man will help you catch her like a goalkeeper. You don't hear that proverb before, you don't hear that word before. I believe if you chase your woman out of the house based on say maybe she's not doing what you like, or another woman out there don't use jazz on you, constantly making separate you and your wife, you know, come get yourself, you go to fight. You fight your wife, the next thing you chase her out. If you chase your wife out, say you don't like her again, e get some guys out there wey cherish her, even wey like her the way, the condition wey you put her, wey be say if they grab her, then go help you put her in a good way, wey be say if you see her, your hand no go fit reach am again. Then go help you take care of that woman. Then go clothe her. Then go open business for her. They will make sure she's happy. You understand? They will make sure say she no go dey think. They go carry laugh put for that woman mouth. So, guy, let me tell you. What did I say? If you chase your wife out, no doubt me, another man will help you catch her like a goalkeeper. And so it be. Have a nice day. See you on the next video. Bye.